G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm in my car at the moment, as you can see, and I'm just waiting for Mum. We're heading off to The Good Guys, which is an appliance store. No, you couldn't call it a hardware store. It's an appliance store that has kitchen and sort of other electrical items and things like that. But we need a new dishwasher, so we're heading down there now. I've got the measurements written down on a piece of paper because it's an inbuilt unit. So it has to go inside a cavity. So I've got the measurements, and we'll see you in the shop. Welcome back everyone. We're outside here, The Good Guys, which is the appliance store that we're going to go into order a new dishwasher, and we might be getting a new microwave as well. Now, the current law here in, so there you go, just pan around so you see where we are. We're in Thomastown. The current law here in Australia is that we have to wear face masks indoors, so I'm going to put this on, so just bear with me a minute. Pop the camera down. Okay, so I've got the face mask on, there you go, and we're going to enter into the store, the Good Guys store here in Thomastown. There you go. How are you, boss?
Good man, how are you?
Good, thank you. Which your dishwashers, whereabouts are they? They'll be down...
Dishwashers are like...
Oh, they're right here, there you go, right at the door. We didn't have to go far. There you go. See, that was a big walk. We'll walk around and we'll come back. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh god, I hate this mask already. Morning. Okay, so we're inside the Good Guys here. Yeah. These are washing machines, as in clothes washing machines. Pretty cool store this. There you go. Big store here. Big store here. There you go, you've got your top load washing machines. There you go, get a new washing machine. Computers, oh there you go, I didn't realise they sold computers. There you go, front load washers. I'm just doing a bit of a tour of the store for you, and you can then we're going to, I'll turn the camera off. There you go, we've got Dyson vacuum cleaners, uprights, cameras, probably sell GoPros here. There you go, cameras, TVs at the back of the store. The Thomastown store that we're at here in northern Melbourne is a pretty big store. Good Guys are pretty well known in Australia. There you go, we got speakers, check that out, that's huge. There you go. Pretty quiet here, it's only about 10 o'clock in the morning. There you go, we've got TVs, big giant TV sold out. I thought it said $7.99, but that was for the sound, the speaker. Huge TVs. You've got your sound bars. Yeah, no, the big TVs, that one's sold. Don't know what that is, it's 80 centimetre. Oh, 80 inch, sorry, 80 centimetre. Gallery design, that looks pretty cool. All the ultra HD TVs, 4K TVs. Well, look at the size of this one. $12,995, so that's $13,000. And that is, let me get closer, 100 inch. That is huge. There you go, that is huge. Yeah, no, it's too big. Bigger than our lounge room. There you go, we got fridges. No, it's a cool shop here if you need appliances. It opens from this side. I'm wrong way. Left-handed. Chest freezers. Cool. We've shopped here before, but obviously we don't have appliances that die on us every week. TVs. Fridges, freezers. How cool is this? Even got blow dryers for doing your hair. Oop, I was going to step on something there. Breville, what's this? Juice fountain compact. Cool. I'm going to turn this off, and a microwave. We need a microwave, I think. We're actually looking at getting a microwave as well today. There you go. What do you think of this, Mum? You like this microwave?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That is.
Our microwave is still working at home, but it's needs an upgrade. So we thought, while we're here getting a new dishwasher, we'll here we go, heaps of microwaves. We'll get one of these microwaves. There you go, Samsung. Pretty big in there. So you like the stainless steel ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mum wants a stainless steel one. There you go, check this out. Look at this one here. Yeah, they get dirty. Check these out.
Yeah, dirty, better.
Yeah, Mum wants stainless steel ones.
Yeah.
Okay, you got little toasters and sandwich makers, and how cool is that?
How big's the space? Where it's going?
Okay, cookers. There you go. I could stay in here all day. I could buy half the store. I'm here. Just yeah, they got vacuum cleaners. Yeah, we'll upgrade our vacuum cleaner. No, next time. A decent vacuum cleaner, because everything starts to get a bit old and starts to play up. I've got a vacuum cleaner that works, but the actual nozzle that plugs into the unit just keeps popping out. It's one of those clip-in ones, and it's just worn out. There you go. Check this out. Kitchen aid. All colour coordinated for your kitchen. Different colours. Sensational. But anyway, I'll stop this video now, guys. I need to speak to a sales chap and organise to have a look at one of these dishwashers, and we need an inbuilt one, because the freestanding ones, which will so these are ones that are inbuilt into the cabinet. There you go. Now the one that I've seen that I can actually get that's the right measurements for us is a Technica brand, and I can't say these are all Bosch. Here we go, Fisher and Paykel. Now these are freestanding ones, but they're just too tall for me. Well, not for me, for the cavity at home. 60 centimetre dishwasher. Okay. Going to have to speak to one of the guys here and find out which one will fit in the... I'm just still looking. Still looking. Even though they look pretty small here, they're all a bit too high. Don't know what that is. It's a washing machine, dishwasher as well, but it just looks a bit weird. The outside. Maybe it's one that gets covered by a cabinet. Here we go, this is the Technica. No, but that's not the one I want. I want the inbuilt Technica. But anyway, I'll end this video here, because I need to speak to one of these guys. We don't need a stove and a cooktop. We'll talk with one of these guys to get the right measurements, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Welcome back, guys. We found the unit we're getting. It's this Technica dishwasher here. So we'll get this one. Apparently with this one the top comes off, so it can fit under the cabinet. So we can save ourselves almost 3 centimetres of space. As it is, it won't fit in the cabinet, but if we take the top off, so it will look like similar to this without a top, it'll fit under the cabinet. Now obviously we don't need the tops on them, because it's going to go under a cabinet and it'll fit. And that was our issue, because most of these have to fit. So anyway, that's our unit we're getting. Welcome back, guys. We've decided on a microwave, this Samsung. So it's pretty decent looking Samsung. Mum liked that one out of the lot. It's got a 10-year warranty on it. Not that we're not going to worry about the warranty, but guy's going to come back in a minute. So we've ended up purchasing the inbuilt, or the actual dishwasher, but we're going to take the top off it, which will fit under the cabinet, and getting this microwave. And Mum wanted a new toaster as well, so we've got a toaster, but this is our new microwave. Here's Mum outside of the store. As you can see, the good guys, there it is, and she's got a large microwave and a Breville toaster, and we're heading to the car. So Mum's going to push that to the car slowly. Yep. Or do you want me to help you? No?
I'm okay.
She does all the work.
I'm okay.
There you go. Merry Christmas, Mum. So, I don't know which way you're going. Car's over there. She's going, just be careful the toaster doesn't fall off. That's it, slowly. But yes, we've organised a plumber to get rid of our old unit, as in our dishwasher. He's going to come in.
Can't go in there.
Yeah, no, I'll work that out. He's going to install the new unit next week, the dishwasher. So, but we can take the microwave and the toaster home today. So anyway, we're going to put this in the car